Hello everyone, this is Mona. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you saw my previous video, then you will aware of today's topic. If not, then please see that video first because today we will discuss the day 2 shred challenge. So without wasting a time, let's start. First, I will tell you, if you have enough patience with passion, then you can able to complete this challenge because it is too hard and you will feel too much pain after complete the exercise. But after some time you will be used to it. I want to reduce my belly fat and wear my favorite outfit to my younger brother's marriage, so I gonna take this challenge. Now today is day 2 of this challenge. According to Ting, the shared exercise challenge is mainly focused on the core and arms. Today we'll cover the warm-up routine, workout to lose weight, abs 2 weeks, and core and arms. And most important, warm-up routine that you can use before any of your workout in any workout program. It is quick and easy to warm up before you get to the real action. So enjoy. And if you have not seen the day 1 challenge video, you can check this video I button. Click on I button. So see the complete video. And last but not least, please show your love and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. We will meet on the next video. Till the time, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.